The GoPod's kitchen area includes all the essential facilities you'll need for cooking while you're away. There's a Dometic sink and 2-burner hob units with a glass worktop. Fresh water tap that supplies the sink via a Truma electric water pump. Fold-out wing table for extra countertop space. Dometic CRE 50 12-volt front opening compressor refrigerator. Full height cupboard beneath the sink. Medium height cupboard beneath the hobs. Pull-out drawer, perfect for cutlery and smaller utensils. Pull-out pantry rack, great for spices and bottles. And most importantly, a raisable pop-up roof to provide full standing height. There are a couple of optional extras for the kitchen space too, including microwave oven with a dedicated socket and a gas-powered oven and grill.